I'm Jojo from the Chance. Nice to see you again. I think emulsifiers are definitely your first choice. Yes, many people now choose emulsifiers as a promoter of feed fats. But what really promotes the absorption of lipase in the animal bodies is bile acid. Bile acid is a digestive juice secreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. It's the main component of bile. After the animal intakes the feed, under the action of CKK, secreted by the duodenum, the gallbladder shrinks. It secretes bile acids and starts its role in promoting the digestion and the absorption of lipid nutrients. When it comes to the difference between bile acids and emulsifiers, we must first understand how fat is used by the body. It's roughly divided into 3 steps: emulsification, digestion, and absorption. Emulsification is to cut the oil droplet of the large molecules into small molecules. By changing the tension on the surface of the oil, then expanding the surface area for the combination of lipid and oil. Digestion is a process that triglycerides are hydrolyzed into free fatty acids and monoglycerides under the action of the lipase. In this process, increasing the activity of lipase can promote digestion. Absorption is a process by which hydrolyzed fatty acids and monoglycerides go through the cell membrane of the small intestine and into the blood. Short-chain fatty acids can go through directly, while long-chain fatty acids must mediate by bile acids in the small intestine cells to form chylomicron before they can absorb by the body. Bile acids play an important role in the whole process of fat utilization. The emulsifiers is based on its emulsification, so this is why body has gone through tens of thousands of years, and finally choose bile acid as an important digestive juice. Some people say, look, if I add bile acids to oil and water, it cannot effectively emulsify the oil. Is it useless? The body is a complex state, which is different from the physical state of the outside world. Let's walk into the lab to see how the emulsification effect of the bile acid is and the condition of the stimulative body, right? We tested bile acids, lysine, phospholipids, and glycerol fatty acid esters in a stimulated intestinal environment. Add the reagents to the conical flask containing the oil and water mixture, respectively add 100 ml buffer solution. Cover the bottle stopper, put it in a constant temperature water bath shaker, 180 revolutions per minute. At 40 degrees for an hour. Then let it still for 12 hours for observation oil emulsification. We can see that there is obvious stratification in the control group, while the bile acid group, like other emulsifier groups, presents a suspension state without obvious stratification. This shows that bile acids in the body, like emulsifiers, play a good emulsification effect. Bile acids play an important role in the digestion of fats. We can see the effect of bile acid on improving lipase activity through experiments. When the fat is broken down into fatty acids, the acid value will increase accordingly. We separately measure the degree of fat being decomposed into fatty acids and the action of lipase and emulsifier, lipase and bile acid. The test objects are bile acids, lysine, phospholipids, and the glycerol fatty acid esters. Add 100 ml of buffer solution. Cover the bottle stopper and place it in the 40-degree constant temperature water bath. After 1 hour in the shaker, 180 revolutions per minute. Check the acid value after 12 hours of stirring. The acid values are 74.25, 150.34, 93.12, 88.51, 84.75. It can be seen in the presence of bile acids. The degree of fat being hydrolyzed by lipase is increased, indicating that bile acids has the effect of improving lipase activity, while emulsifier has no significant effect on improving lipase activity. In addition, scholars from China Agricultural University conducted animal experiments. Bile acids were added to broiler basic feed and high-fat feed, respectively. Lipase, liver enzyme, and lipase activities were measured at 21 days and 42 days. The results show that bile acids can promote the activity of fat utilization enzymes in broilers. From the improvement of digestive enzyme activity and the degree of fatty acid digestion, it can be seen that bile acids can directly promote fat digestion. No matter what kind of product, the result of the utilization of fat matters a lot finally. We have verified the following aspects through experiments. First, adding bile acids can reduce FCR from 1.71 to 1.66, a reduction of 3%. This data tells us that bile acid can really improve the utilization rate of feed. Second, after adding bile acids, the body weight increased from 2.19 kg to 2.26 kg, and the slaughter rate increased from 19.25% to 93.02%. This data shows that on the basis of promoting growth, bile acids increase the weight of edible part. Where the fat deposits go, it is more practical and instructive for the integrated farm than simply gaining weight. We all know that liver plays an important role in the body. Many liver protecting products on the market now work by promoting the secretion of bile acids. Bile acids can remove mycotoxins and reduce the damage of mycotoxins to the liver. Activate FXR, decompose the high toxic T2 toxin and HT2 toxin into low toxic toxins, and directly play a role in protecting the liver. Bile acid is a product with functions of emulsifier, enzyme activity promoter, absorption promoter, and liver protection. In the process of use, we can adjust the formula such as the amount of fat added and reduce the amount of other products added, which not only make full use of the nutrients in the feed but also reduce the costs. We have many experiment cases, and you are welcome to communicate. After the video, would you still use bile acids as an emulsifier?